Did you know that the leading EV company, Tesla, plans to build a new factory in Asia, particularly in India? For the first quarter of this year, Tesla produced over 440,000 vehicles and delivered over 422,000 vehicles. If Tesla were to add another plant, those numbers are expected to soar. Tesla, the world's largest electric car manufacturer, has a potential annual output to produce roughly 2 million electric vehicles annually. Considering that in Q4 2022, the company produced and sold more than 400,000 units, it can be assumed that the plants are already running at over 1.6 million units per year, with a target to achieve 1.8 million sales in 2023. So where are the various Tesla plants located, and how many vehicles do they produce annually? First is the Tesla factory in Fremont, California, which has the potential to produce up to 550,000 Model 3 Model Ys a year, plus up to 100,000 refreshed Model S and Model X. According to Tesla, each of its EV factories produced a record numbers of vehicles in 2022, so Fremont is running at its peak. Tesla Giga Nevada, or Giga Factory 1 in Nevada, is Tesla's first Gigafactory and is a lithium-ion battery cell plant which makes 2170-type cylindrical battery cells in partnership with Panasonic, as well as other products like drive units, power electronics, energy storage systems, and parts. In early January, Tesla officially announced a $3.6 billion investment at the site to produce also the all-new 4680-type cylindrical battery cells, 100 gigawatt-hours per year with the potential for more, and Tesla semi-electric trucks, potentially roughly 50,000 Tesla semis per year. The Tesla Semi status is currently pilot production, described also as limited production by Tesla's CEO Elon Musk. The previous status was early production in the Q3 2022 financial report and in development in the Q2 2022 financial report. Next is the Tesla Giga Shanghai, or Gigafactory 3 in China. It has the potential to produce over 750,000 Model 3 and Model Ys per year. The plant remains the company's export hub. Since our Shanghai factory has been successfully running near full capacity for several months, we do not expect meaningful sequential volume increases in the near term. Gigafactory Shanghai remains our main export hub, supplying vehicles to most markets outside of North America. Another is the Tesla Giga Berlin, or Gigafactory 4 in Germany, which produces over 250,000 vehicles per year. Tesla Giga Berlin in Grünheide near Berlin, Germany, produces the Tesla Model Y powered by 2170-type cylindrical battery cells since March 2022. In December, the company announced that 3,000 Tesla Model Ys were produced in a single week for the very first time. The capacity is estimated at over 250,000 annually. At some point in the future, the company intends to start production of a new version powered by 4680-type cylindrical battery cells. Meanwhile, customers can select new premium paint colors. We also introduced two new multi-year paint colors from our advanced paint shop at our Berlin factory, Quicksilver and Midnight Cherry Red. Finally, the Tesla Giga Texas, or Gigafactory 5 in the US, which can produce over 250,000 vehicles per year. Tesla Giga Texas in Austin started production of the Tesla Model Y in April 2022. This version of the Model Y is equipped with the 4680-type cylindrical cells and a structural battery pack. However, because the supply of 4680-type cells was limited, the plant later started production of the legacy version with 2170-type batteries and non-structural batteries. According to the company, the plant recently produced 3,000 Model Ys in a single week. Meanwhile, the supply of 4680-type cylindrical battery cells increased to 1 million units per week, which is enough for more than 1,000 electric cars, a third of the plant's production. It's important to note that the 4680-type cylindrical battery cells are produced now also locally at Giga Texas, on top of Tesla's Cato Road pilot facility in Fremont, California. In mid-2023, the Giga Texas plant will start production of the Tesla Cybertruck all-electric pickup, although Tesla says the people will have to wait until 2024 for volume production. There's also the Tesla Gigafactory 2 in New York, related to solar and some energy storage products. The Tesla Cato Road pilot facility in Fremont, California, related to Tesla's 4680-type cylindrical battery cells, and the Tesla Megapack factory in Lathrop, California. Overall, Tesla's installed manufacturing capacity has a total of over 1,900,000 per year, up to 650,000 at the Tesla factory, over 750,000 at the Giga Shanghai, and over 250,000 at the two new plants, Giga Berlin and Giga Texas. Now, Tesla plans to add to their long list of factories around the globe, this time in Asia, particularly in India. In mid-May, Tesla told government officials about its proposal of setting up a factory in India to build electric cars for domestic sale and export. According to a source, the company did not discuss lowering the import tax on electric cars, as reported by Reuters. Following the announcement, it was found that senior Tesla executives were said to be in India to meet the government to discuss local sourcing of parts and other issues. After years of negotiation in the world's most populous country, Tesla would mark a reversal of its strategy. India has the biggest auto market that Tesla has yet to enter. For years, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said that Tesla's launch in India was imminent, but strong import tariffs have made it difficult. Nonetheless, the automaker has had some indications of preparing for a launch over the last year. In 2021, Tesla officially incorporated an Indian company in Bengaluru, the capital of India's southern Karnataka state. During the summer, Indian government officials said that they are considering Tesla's proposal to greatly reduce import duties for electric cars, which has been the main hurdle for the company to enter the market. The government has maintained high import duties on EVs to encourage local production, but so far it has mainly resulted in preventing automakers from importing popular EVs produced outside the country, including in China. Tesla has expressed interest in building a factory in the country, but as it has done in every other market, the automaker prefers to first test the waters with imported vehicles. In 2021, Tesla vehicles were spotted being tested on Indian roads, and it got 7 electric vehicle variants approved in the country. However, the company wasn't able to come to a deal on import tariffs, and in 2022, Tesla decided to put its plans to enter the Indian market on hold. Over the last weeks, however, there were local reports in India that Tesla sent executives to the country to meet with officials. Local sourcing aligns with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's pitch to attract manufacturers with his Make in India campaign, especially as companies look to diversify their supply chains beyond China. In early January, Elon Musk announced that the automotive group would reveal the locations of its new factories before the end of the year. 2022 is the year that we will be looking at factory locations to see what makes the most sense, with possibly some announcement by the end of this year, said Musk during the company's 2021 fourth quarter earnings. Last August, he repeated that he hoped to formally announce the location of the clean energy car maker's new Giga Factory later this year, in his efforts to produce 20 million vehicles annually by 2030, thus becoming the world's largest car maker by production volume. These remarks have encouraged governments in many countries to court Tesla. Indonesia, South Korea, Canada, and many others have dangled the incentives they offer in order to become Tesla's new land. As you all know, Tesla has begun expanding its production reach over the last several years, as part of a long-term plan to become the world's largest automaker. Recent reports have stirred up conversations about where Tesla will build its next Gigafactory, even saying that the automaker will be announcing the new site soon. Tesla appears set to unveil its next Gigafactory in Mexico, according to multiple reports from sources familiar with the matter. The new factory will reportedly be built outside of Monterrey and Santa Catarina, within the Mexican border state of Nuevo León. Tesla and the state of Nuevo León are still finalizing certain details of the plant's construction, and the automaker has been in regular discussion with the state government and the Mexican Foreign Relations Ministry. Beyond its newest factories, Giga Berlin and Giga Texas, the automaker has been targeting additional plant locations for over a year now. Currently, Tesla produces vehicles at its 4 main factories, with U.S. vehicle factories located in Fremont, California and Austin, Texas, and overseas factories in Grünheide, Germany and Shanghai, China. Tesla also announced its plans to build as many as 10 to 12 Gigafactory locations in the long run, according to Musk in statements at the shareholders' meeting. He also added that each factory will target a production output of 1 to 2 million units annually. By 2030, Tesla is targeting 20 million vehicles per year, which would make it the largest automaker by production volume. Subscribe for more.